Okay, so now we're going to be looking at perimeter and area of a triangle. So let's start off nice and simple. Perimeter, we know that we're going to add up all the sides. So let's just look at all the sides. We have 4, 6, and 8. So what we do is we add up 4 plus 6 plus 8. And then all we do now is just add across. 4 plus 6 is 10. Bring down the 8. Then we do 10 plus 8 gives us 18. Now, like I've said before, this is our answer, but we also need to include the units. In this case, it's m, which is meters. So we just include m for meters, and our answer ends up being perimeter is 18 meters. That's it. Perimeter, you just add up all the sides. So now let's move on to area. Area is a little different because it requires something else. So in case you guys forgot, the area of a triangle, the formula goes 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay? So what we need to do is we need to plug in base and height. And how do we do that? Let's just look at our picture right here. So we know that the base is always the bottom part. So since the bottom part is labeled as 12, this is our B. 1/2 stays the same times B, which is 12. Now the height is this section right here. So it tells us that it's 6, so that means that our height is 6. So instead of 8, you plug in 6, and then all you do is just multiply across. So we know that we have to do 1/2 times 12. Half of 12 is 6. So if you put in the calculator, you get 6, and then you bring down the 6. So then you just multiply this across. 6 times 6 ends up being 36. So now the last part is to include our units, which ends up being inches. But since we're dealing with area now, we have to include the little 2. So this ends up being the area is 36 inches squared. And so just so you remember, this is the formula for area of a triangle. And that's all you do.